Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey.
And I'm Harley Ramirez.
So, we're going to raffle off the Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford kit. Carly's going to pick out the numbers. We had more than 200 entries. So, good luck to everybody. Okay, what's the number?
15.
Let me see it on the screen. Number 15 is our winner. Mark McDowell from South Carolina is our winner with his 2015 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Congratulations. Thank you for all that participated. And then we're going to post up the build as soon as he drops the bike off. We're going to show you the entire build step by step. Thank you. Have a good night.